Jamaica's Keri-Ann Greenwood claims first runner-up at Miss Global. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Keri-Ann Greenwood, the reigning Miss Universe Jamaica, has made history by securing the first runner-up position at Miss Global 2025. Showcasing grace, confidence, and undeniable charisma, she stood out proudly among contestants from around the world at the grand final held at the MCC Hall in Thailand. With over 60 contestants from around the world, the Miss Global 2025 pageant held from February 24 to March 9 showcased extraordinary beauty, intelligence, and resilience under the theme Empower, Embrace, Embody. Empower woman, embrace cultures, embody the beauty within. For Greenwood, this moment is a culmination of years of self-development and unwavering determination. She has embodied the philosophy that every step of the way, from being crowned Miss Universe Jamaica East 2014 to finalizing as second runner-up in the Miss Jamaica Universe National Finals, and now standing proudly as the first runner-up at Miss Global 2025. We at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to congratulate Miss Keri-Ann Greenwood on her accomplishments. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.